customs duties values. Here the first one is basic customs duty. Suppose the person is getting the assessable value 30 lakh, and how we are going to calculate here. We see that 10 percentage is the basic customs duty is here they given, and accessible value is 30 lakh. Now out of 30 lakh, 10 percentage we are going to calculate, then get the 3 lakh. The next step is safeguard duty under the section 8B. Safeguard 30% of accessible value. Safeguard duty is 30 lakh. Already what amount we taken for the accessible value, same amount here we are going to take. That is 30 lakh. Out of 30 lakh, safeguard duty is the 30%, and out of 30 lakh, 30% is the 9 lakh we are getting for the safeguard duty. And save social welfare surcharge is the 10%. Again we are moving to the what is the basic customs duty. Out of that we are going to calculate the 10 percentage. So what is our value of basic custom duty? 3 lakh. So from this 3 lakh we are going to calculate 10 percentage. The answer is 30,000. Then social welfare surcharge is the 30,000. Next, integrated tax under section 37. In this integrated tax under the section 37, there is three things we are going to add. One is the assessable value, next one is basic customs duty, and the third one is the safeguard. So these three things we are going to add now. So what is that total value? So from this total value divided by, and all these values we are going to divide it. So what is the final value for this? See, 30 lakh is the basic assessment value, and 3 lakh is the so that is safeguard value, and that is 3 lakh, sorry, 3 lakh is the safeguard value, and 9 lakh is the social work charges. And lastly, we are getting the 42 lakh. From this 42 lakh, we are going to calculate the integrated tax 12 percentage. So 42 lakh is the amount, and from this we are going to calculate the integrated tax 12 percentage. And what is the now answer is 5 lakh 4,000. And what is the total duty payable here? So another thing is we are calculate the total customs duty by summing up all the applicable applications. What are the amounts? Basic customs duty has already been calculated 3 lakh. So 30 lakh, from that 30 percentage we have calculated, and safeguard duty is the 9 lakh, and social welfare surcharges is the 30,000, integrated tax is the 5 lakh 4,000. So total duty, what is the total duty here? 17 lakh 34,000 is the total duty. The person is paying customs duty is 17 lakh 34,000. See, we can see the another sum. From the following particulars, calculate the customs duty payable. See, that is the first one is they given the imported goods is rupees 2 lakh, and basic customs duty payable 10 percentage. And the third one is under the integrated tax already, which is given. The same thing is here we are going to follow the last sum what we done. The same thing is follow here. Customs Tariff Act 1975 is 12 percentage. See, the last sum we are calculated, that is integrated tax 12 percentage. The same thing here also we are going to calculate the 12 percentage. Ignore GST compensation cess. So without compensation cess we are going to calculate the integrated tax. The first one is computation, how to compute the customs duty. So you know already what is the customs duty and what is the assessable value. See, already they given the assessable value is the 2 lakh, and basic customs duty is the 10 percentage. And what is the amount here? So 10 percentage from the out of 2 lakh, 10 percentage is 20,000 plus, and out of 20,000, now we are going to calculate the 10% of social welfare surcharge is 2,000. So what is here? See here, 2 lakh. 2 lakh is the 2 lakh is the basic assessment value. 20,000 is the basic customs duty, and plus, and what is here we have calculated, that is social welfare charges. So total 2,22,000. 2,22,000 at integrated taxes 12 percentage. So now we are going to calculate. So out of 2,22,000 at 12 percentage we are going to calculate. So this is the sum. How to calculate the paying the customs duty, calculating for the customs duty payable, and total amount duty, how they calculating. So they need the assessment value, basic customs duty, integrated tax, social welfare surcharges. Suppose they given, you have to calculate. Otherwise safeguard duty they sometimes they give, or the both of the things they give, safeguard duty and social welfare charges. So these things we are going to calculate for finding the total customs duty payable. So this is the value. And what is the percentage for the basic customs duty? 10 percentage. And integrated tax 12 percentage. And safeguard duty 30 percentage. Social welfare surcharges 10 percentage. So these are the percentages to calculate the particular duties, and totally we are finding, after adding all those things, finally in the sum we are finded, that is integrated tax. So under this, see here, at 12% after calculating, they getting total customs duty payable.